Hello class. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the items on the exercise for QlikView. Open up the Word document, the DAT 210 Management and Customer Analysis exercise. The first thing you want to do is go through the assignment instructions, but you also want to take a look at the demos that are offered for you that gives you an understanding of what QlikView is about. Now we're going to open up the database. To open up the database, you want to select the link that says Sales Management and Customer Analysis Demo App. On this page, you want to select the option that says Launch Demo. When you launch the demo, you will see data information on the left-hand side of the screen. You have your product category, product subcategories, channel, that's store or individual, country. On the right-hand side, you have data results that are currently in the dashboard. At the top of the screen, you have the options to pick the dashboard, products, regions, customers, customers targeting, and orders. For the sake of this exercise, you're going to be looking at products, we're going to be looking at customers, and we'll be looking at orders. So if the question asks you something about products, you know you need to be in the products tab. If it asks you something about customers, you should be in the customers tab. And if it says something about orders, you want to be in the orders tab. So we're going to walk through question number 1 on part 2. The question says, how many products in which 2 categories have a profit margin percent greater than 60%? So the key word is products. So we're going to select the products tab. The exercise tells you in A to select the products tab. So we select the products tab. When we select the products tab, different data information shows on the right hand side of the screen. Your right hand side of the screen may look a little different than this. It kind of depends on where you were the last time you went into the product. So don't be alarmed if your right hand side does not look the same as mine. The second thing it says click and drag over the data points. Well, unfortunately, you don't have any data points. So let's think about this. We want the data points as it relates to profit margins. So my suggestion is to click the Profit Margins tab. When you click the Profit Margins tab, now you see color-coded data points from -20% to 60%. We want all the products greater than 60%. So I'm just going to simply highlight right to the right of 60%. And now I get a list of data points. Just to make sure I have all of the ones that are higher than 60%, I'm going to do that again. Now I have a list of products greater than 60%. Our question asks you which 2 categories. So now we know we have accessories and clothing are our 2 categories of products greater than 60%. You can also see this data in the margin tab. So if I click the margin tab, everything that's highlighted in green shows you your results. What we don't know is which products are in which one of the product categories. You also know the number of products for the categories by looking at the current selection, and the result says 15 of 266. So we have 15 products, but we don't know how many products are from accessories and how many products are from clothing. To determine that, the keyword is product category. We're going to look at accessories. So you click the accessories. When you click accessories product, Now you look under the margin, you have everything that's over 60% just for the product category. You can easily determine or count the number of products, and if you count, there are 14 subproducts in the accessories product category. Well, how many products are in the clothing product category? You click clothing. When we click clothing, we have only one product that's over 60% in the product clothing subcategory. So in response to question number 1, you have 2 product categories, accessories and clothing. In the accessories, you have 14 products, and in clothing, you have 1 product. Before moving to the next question, you always want to clear your selection, and that's this area here. And you simply do that by clear selection. Remember again, if you're working on products, you want to go to the Products tab. If you're working on customers, you want to go to the Customers tab. If you're working on orders, you will go to the Orders tab. If you're working on country or region, you will go to the Regions tab. I hope this quick little demo helped you understand how to use QlikView a little better. As a reminder, always remember to clear your selection before you go to another set of questions unless the instructions tell you not to. Hope this helps everyone. Have a good day.